Welcome to the heart of modern logistics. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how conveyor belt systems work.
We need to ensure the belt speed at this merge point can handle the projected throughput without causing jams. What if we adjust the angle here? All units have been packaged, ready for shipment to the global market.
Filling the transcription. Okay, let's double check these measurements before we mark the floor.
Looks good here. I'll start marking for the support posts.
What you're looking at is a distributed intelligence network. Each conveyor zone has its own controller making local decisions, but they all communicate through our central system.
Over 10,000 sensors feeding real-time data. The system knows where every single product is, every single second. Artificial intelligence predicts failures before they happen. No more unexpected downtime. We're managing traffic flow like air traffic control. Every product's journey is optimized.
24/7 monitoring from anywhere in the world. The factory never sleeps, and neither does our oversight.
Alert! Blockage detected. So the variation wasn't detected early enough by the sensor.
That makes sense. The calibration was off.
Let's verify that upstream. I think we should adjust the angle of this sensor.
Yes, that might improve detection for the smaller packages.
so the wear analysis shows significant abrasion.
Given these operating conditions and the product characteristics,
With these systems in place, we're ensuring uninterrupted operations and preventing any product damage during power outages.
We've achieved peak efficiency. The system is running perfectly.
All right, team, listen up. Zone A, check your stations. Zone B, activate conveyors on my mark. Safety first today. Let's have a productive shift.
Our products move fast, from our distribution center to your local store shelves, often within just a few hours.
Last have broken into the Dow, and if floor zone tier was starting on this
T-transcription. So this is where you'd typically adjust the tension on the belt.
Ah, I see that. It's important for smooth operation, right? It's my honor to present this award for 1,000 days without a lost time injury.
Thank you. We couldn't have done it without everyone's commitment.
Hey, did you hear about the new guy? He's so green, he tried to change the oil in a donut.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Almost as good as these donuts.
All right, team, yesterday's numbers were solid. Today, let's focus on hitting that new output target. Any roadblocks?
Line 3 had a slight jam, but it's cleared.
We're ready.
After studies down and conveyors, talk to me, right?
Sector clear.
Belt tension optimal.
Sensors green.
All documented. Unit 7 is down, and I have a critical failure on the main drive.
Okay, I'm on my way.
You did great. Took me a week to learn what you just did. Welcome to the team.
These noodles are amazing.
What's in them? What's in them?
It's an old family recipe. I'm glad you like it.
This belt's seen 3 facility managers, true expansions, and a tornado. Still running perfect. We take care of her, she takes care of us.
Oh my gosh! What just has happened?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mother.
All right, Sarah, keep an eye on Unit 3. Maintenance is scheduled for 0800.
Got it, Marcus. Anything else?
Just the usual. Smooth shift.
Will do.
So now you understand the invisible infrastructure that powers modern commerce. From your online orders to grocery stores.
Next in the series, inside Amazon's robot army. Then, the future of automated warehousing.